All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have our ingredients set out ready to go. We got our maker's mark, quality Kentucky bourbon. We're going to do a pretty generous pour here. We got a good bourbon. Definitely want to taste it in this drink. All right, next up we have our Dr. Pepper cream soda. We're going to fill this up about 3/4 of the way from the top of the glass. And next up we have our cherries. I would try to pronounce the first word, but any of y'all watched my videos before, y'all know I ain't gonna pronounce that right. We're gonna put us about 2 in there, and don't worry if a little bit of the cherry juice goes in with it. Hey, you ain't gonna hurt this drink none at all. And now we're gonna give it a good shake, get it mixed together good, and now for the all-important taste test. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I definitely recommend trying this drink. It's a little sweet, a little sassy, just like a good Southern Belle should be, but not nowhere near as sweet and sassy as this episode's Celebrity Judge. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the Southern Belle.
Guess you wanted a Southern Belle to taste the Southern Belle drink. It's a little strong. I can taste all 23 flavors of the Dr. Pepper, but it's good. Thank you, Paul Vines, for this Southern Belle drink.